What's up, YouTube watchers? Cause you watching me do this makeup tutorial, and yes, I'm back with more tutorials. It's February 1st. Yes, it is my birthday month all February long. All February month long. Okay, yeah, there we go. And I will be doing tutorials all month long because it's my birthday and I can do that. And yes, we're up close and personal so you can see everything that I'm doing in these tutorials. So don't judge me. Yes, I got a lot of flaws, baby. Everybody do. So just stay tuned to this makeup tutorial. Subscribe before we start anything. Subscribe, okay? Help me help you, baby girl, okay? I'm helping you do makeup. You help me get to the top. That's all I'm saying. We gotta work together as women and everybody else that's watching this video. So stay tuned, guys.
They got love for a thug. Before we stay down, we go up. Ain't no limit inside of this world. Yeah, I'ma run this money up with you. Tell me go win, I'm fin to. You don't do the shit that a bitch do. I'ma show you all what a brick do. Come and hop in the whip when I slide through. Trap house with him built, that's a drive through. Got that money coming in all different ways. Feeling like I'm from Morocco. Slow down. Slow down.
So what's up, y'all? So I'm gonna be doing basically a review over the Sephora foundation. Can y'all see that? So I'm gonna see how it works for my skin complexion and my skin tone and all that. See how it works. And also I got their concealer. So we're gonna see how this looks. Okay. So stay tuned. Alright, so first thing I already did. This one happened when I think about you. I ain't my feelings yet. I started letting you see it. Next time around, tripping you. Lord, please favor for me. Do this one favor for me. I had to change my favorite ways. My ways too complicated for me. Oh, she's waiting for me. Can't ignore me. Change for me, for me. Yes, sir. Used to lay up, next day up, had that rainbow night. I still play no games, which is up on my way. This is nothing I can do, man, it's true, things change, yeah. Guess you changed for the better. How to make me jealous. I would not let you tell you, but I'm in your face, and if you ready, baby, so. Just give me all of you and change for me. For me, yeah. She made 2 kids of 10 roots. Turn we on, tell her we just getting loose. Maybe I'm low-key feeling you. Don't be cynical, fuck you over, wanna fuck you over, and it's truth is I ain't really here to stop time, yeah. Hoes can't never say they got him. Why you stressing out? I mean, driving. Mileage. College. Nah, girl, I got a job for you. Started strolling through the campus, I had to stop for you. You got my soul. I just This recurring nightmare. It seemed placed back in my head on top. But I taste you I wish you done.
Okay, so this is the finished look. Tell me what y'all think. It was just something that I thought of. No inspiration, I just did anything. Like, I did one look before this and I ain't like it, so I switched to this. So I call this. It's cold as fuck outside, so ice me out, baby. Ice me out. Ice me out. But this foundation I had worn before. This is not my first time wearing it. I felt my first time wearing it, I felt like it was a really good foundation for something cheap. Like, I think it was only like, don't quote me on this, but I think it was like no more than 15 maybe. I'm gonna say that. No more than 15, no more than 20 maybe. But it's a cheap foundation. I had wore it all day one time. If I find a picture, I'll post it up here or whatever. But when I wore it, it stayed matte for a long time. I forgot where I was going. I think I was going out to eat or something. But it made my face flawless all day, all night. It stayed matte. It covers everything. So it says it's oil free and it's a 10-hour wear perfection foundation. I didn't wear it for 10 hours, but I wore it for a couple hours all night, and I felt like that if I would have wore it for 10 hours, that it probably would have lasted. Like, I feel like it's a good foundation that you could get at Sephora. I hate saying that word 'cause I can't say it, but that you could get from her for cheap. Like, all these other foundations are high price and, you know, they don't do as much as you need it to do. But this one, for a cheap price, it does what you need it to do. And I feel like it covers everything. It's a good foundation. The concealer, what I just do with it? Did it fall? Whatever. But the concealer as well. The concealer is okay. I'll say that it's okay. It's all right. It does what it needs to do for a cheap price too. So, but I would recommend this. I would definitely recommend this foundation. I was just trying something new and I saw that it was a cheap foundation, so I just got it. And it ended up working. I think I will wear it. It's not my favorite, but I think I'll wear it and I'll definitely buy it again. So it's a good foundation, y'all. So please subscribe if you like this look or any other looks that I did. Please subscribe, like, and comment anything. Anything, guys. You know, give me some ideas. Tell me what you like. Tell me what you didn't like. I don't care. You know what I'm saying? Do what you want to do. But yeah, so that's the end of it. Thank you guys for watching. I will have more videos uploaded every day, so stay tuned. Please subscribe. Like, stay tuned, because I'm going to be doing makeup all month long for my birthday. And I'm going to New Orleans for my birthday. So, you know, I'm going to be Lily. But thank you guys. I love you guys. And stay tuned.